Hello, in this video we will show how to apply a function to every column of an data object in R. So we know if we want to apply a function to every column to an object, so this object may be either a matrix or a data frame in R. So let us see how to apply a function to a column of a matrix. So first we create a matrix and we set column name. Then we show this matrix, the 2 rows, 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then say we want to apply the function min function for each column of this matrix. Then we can use apply function. So apply this matrix and option 2. So 1 for the row, 2 for the column. Then we set the function min here. So we run this. So the result look like a matrix and the value is the min for each column. And if you want to apply a function to a data frame, you can also use apply and with the same structure. For example, we set the working directory and we load data frame and set the variable type, and we read CSV file from the working directory and using read table function. So a data frame grade is created. So this is a data frame for the student's grade. And we can use str function to show these data frames variable. So data frame grade has 20 observations with 10 variables, and the student's information and with mathematics, physics, and chemistry grade. So now if we want to run a function, for example, we will use min to calculate the min value for these 3 columns. So we can use apply grade comma min, which here means for all the row and for 3 columns 7 to 9. So this means the 3 columns of this grade, and we set 2 also for the column and with the min function. So the result is a data frame, but only 1 row for min value of 3 grades. And one alternative is that you can use the library purrr to do the same job. So of course you have to install this library first, install this package first. Then we load this library and we can use a map_df function for grade 7 to 9 and with the comma in front of. But here we need not set a 2 here. We just set the min function because this function is for column of a matrix. So the result is the same, and the result is a tuple. Tuple is also a modern type of a data frame. If you are interested in, you can download source files, this file from this link. And we also have a website for R and Python training, rdatacode.com. So if you want to have weekend training, we will give a very cheap paid course on weekends. So thanks for watching.